0 रन बनाए थे.
Yes.
He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. सर वो मतलब को कोशिश कर रहे थे कि वो 10,000 स्कोर मारना है. How many more runs does he need solution? सर शेखर स्कोर सर इसमें है सर इसमें पहले तो शेखर का ये वाला ये स्कोर लिए, उसके बाद इसको इधर लिखे ही वांट टू कम.
Okay, very good, Arav. So now Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. So how many more runs does he need? It means required.
सर हाँ हमें इसमें 10,000 minus 6,980 करना होगा.
Yeah, so required runs for Shekhar, this equals 10,000 minus 6,980. 6,980 runs. Okay. So what will the result when 6,980 is subtracted from 10,000? Look here. So this one is 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Now this will become 10 and this will become 9 and all this will become 9. Okay. So 9 minus 9 this equal to, sorry, 10 minus 8 this equal to, 10 minus 8 this equal to what?
2. Sir, 2.
2 and now 9 minus 9
9
is
minus 9 is 0.
0. 9
minus 6 is equals to 3.
3. So it means required runs. It means required runs for Shekhar.
Required runs for Shekhar.
This equals
3,000.
Yes.
3,020.
20 runs answer. So is it clear for all?
3,020 runs.
Okay. So is it clear for all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Asi, have you any doubt in this question? Asi? Vriddhi, switch on your camera.
Yes, sir.
Have you any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, Maulik, switch on your camera. Maulik, Nishtha, Mohit, Tejas, switch on your camera. Otherwise, I will remove you.
Sir, I am here only.
Okay, so have you written this in your copy?
Sir, please wait.
Take a script.
Yes.
Tejas Surana, don't move here and there. Okay, please sit in the right place with your copy and pen. Tejas Surana, unmute yourself, Tejas.
Yes, sir.
Why are you moving here and there?
Sir.
Sit properly with pen and copy, okay, and write it in your copy.
Yes, sir. लिख लिया.
Okay, now so question number 3. This one is a.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Question 3 तक हो गया 4 तक का करें. Excuse me, sir.
Tell me your doubt, okay?
सर कैन यू सर आप मेरे को क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और 2 एक बार दिखा दोगे?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और 2 आपको नोट्स भेज दिया जाएगा, आप उसमें देख लेना। रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो को देखा करो, उसमें सब रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो में सॉल्यूशन है ना, अपलोड हो रहा है बेटा पर डे।
सर रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो,
रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो जो आपका चैप्टर है ना, जब आप एलएमएस में जाओगे तो ये आपका चैप्टर नोइंग आवर नंबर है, नोइंग आवर नंबर में आपको मिल जाएगा।
सर कैन आई सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन?
Excuse me, sir.
this question?
फर्स्ट एक्सप्लेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3।
this question?
Sir, can I?
सर कैन आई?
Sir, can I?
लवदी
Sir,
जैन,
आपने
लवदी जैन एक्सप्लेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3।
Yes, sir. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes. मतलब सर एक सक्सेसफुल कैंडिडेट को 5,77,500 वोट्स मिले और उसके नियरेस्ट में
सो
उसके राइवल
यस
कैंडिडेट
यस
सर सक्सेसफुल कैंडिडेट
सर उसमें उस सक्सेसफुल कैंडिडेट को 5,77,500 वोट्स मिले हैं।
5,77,500 वोट्स।
और फिर
Then rival
and his nearest rival score is
here I am explaining that.
okay.
Okay, so successful candidate.
Can explain.
So number of votes secured by the successful candidate equal to what?
5,77,500.
Very good. So number of votes secured by the successful candidate is 5,77,500.
Sir, 5,77,500
And
votes.
sir, then rival candidate votes.
Okay. Now this one is for rival candidate.
48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election?
48,700 votes.
Okay, so number of votes secured by rival candidate.
3,48,700.
Very good. So this will equal to 3,48,700. 700 votes. So how can
By
you,
what margin did the successful candidate win the election?
okay, so how can you identify the margin by which successful candidate?
Sir, by subtraction. We have to
Sir, by subtraction.
3,48,700 from 5,77,500 votes. Sir, then we get this answer.
And then answer is 2,28,800.
Very good. So you can write here successful candidate. Successful candidate won the election. Won the election by, you have to subtract 5,77,500 subtracted by 3,48,700. Okay. So now after subtracting, what will the result? 0 minus 0 will 0, 0 and 0 will 0.
0.
So
0.
5 will become
15.
15. Very good.
50.
1 will become 16. So now 15
Yes.
minus 7 equal to what? 15 minus 7 equal to,
8. Sir, 8
so now 16 minus 8, this equals 8.
equals 8.
7 minus 4 equal to,
Sir,
sorry, this will become 6.
6
Okay, so
minus
6,
4.
6 minus 4,
Yes,
this
sir.
equal to,
2. Sir, 2.
minus
okay, and
sir to
Sir,
4
2.
equal to
4
2.
sir 4 5 minus 3 2.
So your answer is 2,28,800 votes. So your answer is 2,28,800
800 volts.
votes.
सर बट आपने ये वाला क्वेश्चन होमवर्क दिया था.
सर मेरा भी आंसर होमवर्क में यही आया था.
Okay, so write it in your copy.
सर ये होमवर्क था.
ओके बेटा, आपका होमवर्क में यहाँ मैच कर लेना अपना कि आपने होमवर्क जो बनाया वो सही है या गलत. ओके, सो राइट इट इन योर कॉपी.
सर मेरा सही है.
Okay, so now write it in your copy. After that I will solve question number 4. Have you written?
Yes sir.
Is it written? Is it written all?
Yes sir.
Okay, so next question is question number 4.
सर मैं समझाऊंगी. ठीक.
Next question you will solve question number 4 for Titi. Okay.
Yes sir.
So this one is for question 4. Wait.
कृति बुक्स. सर इसमें लिखा है कृति बुक स्टोर सोल्ड बुक वर्थ रुपीज
सर can I solve?
Wait.
2,80,000
Okay.
2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth rupees 4,07,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale of the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater by how much? So इसमें बोल रहा है कि कृतिका बुक स्टोर था, उसमें से पहले उसने जून में उसने बुक्स बेची 2,85,891. फिर दूसरे वीक में उसने बेची 4,007,68. तो हाउ मच वॉज द सेल? सर उसमें पूछा है कि कितनी सेल एक साथ हुई है और कौन सी सेल ज्यादा हुई है.
Okay, so now look here, June first week.
सर फर्स्ट वीक में उसने किया था 285. सर
2,85,891.
इतना किया था फर्स्ट वीक में और इतना किया है सेकेंड वीक में.
Okay, so June first week price of books sold in June first week equal to what? June first week sold books sold.
Second
This equals
week
2,85,891 rupees. Okay. So now for second week, okay. Second week, what is the total cost of book for second week? Anyone? This one is for second week. This one is for second week. And now in second week, look here.
सर सेकेंड वीक
4 lakh
सेल
4,768. Okay, so for second week book were sold. Book sold, this equals 4,768 rupees. Okay, so how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together?
Yes sir. सर तो इसमें पूछ रहा है कि which week was the sale greater by how much?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, Nishtha.
Sir, 4.
सर तो अगर हम लोग 4,00768 को अगर हम लोग
माइनस होगा
5,891 तो हम लोग उसको माइनस करेंगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा.
Okay, now
आंसर आने के बाद सर वो
yes,
दोनों
Nishtha,
नंबर से
Nishtha, you can solve this question in whiteboard. Okay, use annotation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
8, 5, 8, 9, 1 तो इसका हो जाएगा 7, 1 ये 17.
Tithi, first read question carefully. Okay, question is asking that how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? 2 weeks together
सर
means
तो ये प्लस आएगा.
yes, plus 2 weeks together means you have to add. Okay.
सर 11 आएगा तो 1 यहाँ पे 9 आएगा यहाँ पे 11 1 7 के बाद 8 9 10 11 12 15 1 16 6 7 5 1 6 8 4 के बाद 5 6 सर इसका आंसर 6 8 6 1 मिनट सर मैं ना इसको टाइप ही कर देता सर 19
Sir, can I do?
So don't.
सर मैं कर रही हूँ ना.
Sir, करूँ? सर करूँ क्या?
सर ये आंसर आया. सर ये आंसर आया है प्लस करने के बाद. सर ये आंसर आया है 686619.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, so now look.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Nishtha.
अब सर 4,00768 से वो माइनस होगा.
First
सर
beta,
माइनस नहीं होगा.
look here. Okay, look here. Okay, Nishtha.
प्लस होगा बल्कि.
सर पहले निकालना है कि दोनों को मिला के कितना हुआ. फिर उसके बाद सेल उन दोनों में से कौन सा ग्रेटर है निकालना.
Yes, it means.
सर बट इसको तो प्लस करके निकालना है.
Look here.
तो आंसर.
How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? How much sale?
सर 6 8
प्लस करेंगे पहले फिर माइनस करेंगे.
Now, so
6,86,659
माइनस होगा.
okay, so
मतलब कौन सा बड़ा है वो निकालना है तो माइनस होगा.
sale for the
for 2 weeks.
खा लो पूरा खा.
सर तो 2 weeks का तो आएगा 686619 आंसर.
sale for the 2 weeks together. It means you have to add
686619.
this equals 285,891
plus by 4,400,68. सर तो उसका आंसर 8 और 1 9 9
1 plus 8 9 9 plus 6, 15. Carry 1. Okay. So 9 plus 7, 16. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6.
6.
Plus 0, 8. So 6. So sale for the 2 weeks together equal to
686659.
for the 2 weeks.
सर तो इसका आंसर 686659 आया है.
Together
Answer in the second week sale was
6,86,000.
सर तो इसमें पूछ रहा है कि which week was the sale greater and by how much?
Yes. So now next step is,
minus.
look here, which week was the sale greater and by how much? So how can you identify number of books sold in both weeks together? Sorry. So you have to subtract difference in the sale in both weeks. Okay. You have to subtract.
Yes.
So now next. Now next step is difference in the sale.
I know.
Difference in the sale.
सर इसकी वजह से बहुत ज्यादा है.
Yes, Tithi, mute yourself. Okay. Difference in the sale in both weeks.
So 4,768,000
Both
minus
weeks you have to subtract.
2,05,000.
So this one is 4. This one is 4 lakh 768. Now next one is 2 lakh
minus
85,891.
85,000.
Okay.
Minus. Sir, can I tell the answer? I
Yeah.
solved.
So 8 minus
sir.
8 minus 1 equal to
7.
7. Now 6 will become 16 and 7 will become
7.
6. Okay. Now again
6.
this will become 9. This will become also 9 and 4 will become 3.
3.
Okay. 8 minus 1, 7. And 16 minus 9 equal to what?
7.
Very good. This one 7. Okay. Now again 6 minus 8 equal to what? This one will also 16. So 16 minus 8 equal to?
Sir, 8.
8. Very good. Now this one is 9 minus 5 equal to?
4.
9 minus 5 equal to 4. Also 9 minus 8 equal to?
1.
And 3 minus 2 equal
Sir,
to?
1.
1. Now put the comma just after 3 digit and just after 2 digit.
Sir, 1,14,877
rupees. It is your answer. So now sale for the 2 weeks together is 6,86,659 rupees, and difference in the sale in both weeks is equal to 1,14,877. So which week is greater? Sale in the second week was greater by yes.
second week.
So sale in second week was greater.
Second week वाला greater है ना?
Yes, beta. So you can write here that sale in second week was greater by how much? By 1,14,877 rupees. It's your answer. Write it in your copy.
Sir, I have written in my copy.
Very good.
Sir.
So is there any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So is it clear for all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next question is question number 5. Okay.
Sir, can I explain the fifth question?
Sir, can I explain?
Okay, Vriddhi, to explain question number 5. Okay.
Sir, can I solve it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vriddhi. Vriddhi will explain and Nixta will solve.
Sir, you are showing the answer.
Question number 5. Okay, Vriddhi, explain question number 5.
Find the difference between the greatest
Sir,
and
you
the
are showing the answer.
least 5-digit number. हमें फाइंड करना है ग्रेटेस्ट लिस्ट 5 नंबर को that can be written using the digits. डिजिट का यूज करेंगे. 62743 is only once. मतलब 6274 को सॉल्व करेंगे ग्रेटर एंड स्मॉलेस्ट.
Sir, please give annotation.
Okay,
Sir,
wait.
can I write? Sir, can I tell the answer?
Sir, can I solve this?
Now you can explain how can you solve this question. Okay, I will write.
Sir, annotation.
You will explain.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
first,
Sir, number
sir,
2743.
Yes.
Sir, greatest 5-digit number. 7.
sir, the greatest 5-digit number 762.
Greatest
Sir,
5-digit.
greatest 5-digit number. 5-digit number is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
Least 5-digit number is
7.
Okay.
5-digit number is
7,
2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
7. Answer least 5-digit number is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
Okay, अभी आपको देखो. Now number is given. So what is the number?
2, 3.
Current greatest.
Certain greatest.
So it is given that numbers are 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. So how can you make the greatest 5-digit number using the given number? So greatest means you have to use first greatest. So 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Which one is greater? This one is
7.
greater. So right here 6. Okay. Sorry, not 6, 7. 7 is greater. Okay. First one is 7. This one is first.
7, 6, 7, 6, 4.
This one is second. This one is second. Okay. And
Sir, 7, 6,
third one is
4, 3,
third one is
2.
4. And fourth one is 3.
Sir, then 2. Sir, then 2.
After that, this one is fifth means 2. And put the comma after 3 digit. So means 76,432 is greatest 5-digit number. Okay. So now again numbers are given for list 5-digit numbers. Numbers are 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. 7, 4, 3. So least number means you have to choose the smallest number among them. So which one is a
Sir,
small?
can I tell what is the answer?
No. First
Sir,
you tell
two.
which one is a smallest. Only you have to
Sir,
tell.
First 2. First
Very
2.
good. Look here.
Sir,
So
and second 3.
yes. So
Sir, second 3.
wait.
Sir, third.
'Sir,
So now first one is the smallest one is 2. Okay, this one is first, and second one is
Sir, 3.
Sir, 3.
and
Sir, then 4.
Sir, 4 is third.
yes, 4 is third.
Sir, 6 is fourth.
6 is
Sir,
4.
6 is fourth.
Very good. This one
Sir,
is
7 is 5th.
And 7 is
Sir,
the fifth.
7 is 5th.
okay 5. So you can write there. First one is 2.
Sir, answer is 23,467.
Okay, now first one is 2 and second one is 3 and third one is 4. Fourth one is 6 and fifth one is 7.
Sir,
So
7.
put the comma just
Sir,
after.
answer is 23,467.
Okay, so 23,467 is the least 5-digit number. It is the least 5-digit number. So you have to find the difference between greater and least 5-digit number. So right here, difference between. So now difference between greatest and least
5-digit number.
5-digit numbers. This equals, you have to subtract now
76432 minus
76,432 and 23,467.
67.
So you have to subtract. Now look here. 2 will become 12. 2 will become 12.
5.
Okay.
Sir, 5. Sir,
Wait.
sir, 12. This
3 will become
3 will cut
12.
become 2 and
Four will
this
become
will carry with
13.
4
And 6 will become 5. Okay.
and 5.
So now 12 minus